Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, like I've been saying for months now, I still believe that this is going to keep on trending up. I still think this looks like a WXY pattern that most likely will go up and take out these highs to complete an ABC of wave Y. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I think we may have the end of a crutch. It definitely looks like we do. I think, first of all, this is the end of a wave B, and then this move up would actually be a wave 1 of C. This move down is probably a wave 2 of C, and this is probably the beginning of a big, big uptrend. Hopefully, it really is the beginning of a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, which is all part of a wave C of wave Y, because a wave Y should be 3 waves, and the wave A should be a trend, which it is. The wave B should be a crutch, in which it is, and the wave C should be a trend. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely looks like we have the end of a correction right at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. This move down definitely looks like a trend. This definitely looks like 3 waves up. This move down to me looks like a trend also. It did not take out the low of wave A, which I mean, wave C's do not have to take out the low of wave A. I just call this an irregular ABC. Definitely respected the 61.8. Definitely made a very impulsive move up with a breaker structure. I think we possibly have the end of a 1, the end of a 2, and now we're in the very, very early stages of a big, big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, boy, it definitely looks like the end of a correction. We got many breaks of structure. I think that if anything, this is actually a 1, 2, 3 since the bottom right here. So just to end this sensitive trend, it's going to have to make a 3 and a 4 and a break of structure to the downside. And when it does make this break of structure to the downside, it's probably just a 1, probably a 2, and then eventually go back up for a big wave 3. There's not even any proof that this wave 3 is actually over, and it easily could just keep on drifting up. So don't expect you're going to get a move to the downside, because it may not even happen as of yet. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have non-farm payroll news tomorrow, which is going to be very interesting to see what this news actually ends up doing. I still think this looks like a 1, this looks like a 2, and this is a big old wave 3. So if between today and tomorrow this actually does make a corrective wave 4 and then goes up and makes a wave 5, then I would say tomorrow's non-farm payroll is actually going to cause it to go down and start a big correction, which would be a wave 2 and then back up for a wave 3 like I was showing on the 4 hour. On the other hand, if this is actually looking like this at the news tomorrow, then I would say the news is just going to cause the end of a correction and the continuation of the uptrend. Either scenario, I am definitely now looking for longs on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here below. Excuse me. And don't forget to check out my new membership, which is at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.